Picture a rep on a live call with Microsoft. The buyer says, "Can you send me a one-pager on security?" The rep scrambles through drives, emails, Slack, nothing. Minutes pass. Trust evaporates. Now flip it. AI puts everything one click away. Reps type, "Show me a security one-pager," and the AI delivers the latest approved version instantly. Sonic doesn't waste time digging, he's already sharing. Even smarter, AI predicts what's needed before the buyer asks. Mario? He never sends cluttered PDFs. With moksy.ai, he delivers a personalized microsite with brochures, demos, and case studies preloaded for that buyer. Collateral chaos kills credibility. AI brings order and speed. That's Sales Enablement 2.0. Subscribe now. Next, we tackle slow onboarding.